Action. Okay, action again.
Let's make you a boot rack.
Yeah, that'll work.
That'd be perfect for a boot rack. Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farm. Alright, we're doing a little porch add-on today. But we're putting cedar poles in for the post, just to give it a little bit of character. We like character.
That's right.
But it's just like a one-day job. I mean, there's not much to it. Just coming out. But it's going to look good.
Right.
But that's what we're doing. She can show you what we've done there.
Yeah, I'm going to let them keep working.
All right.
As long as I got the camera in my hand, I don't have to work.
That's right. Hey, Alex.
Now this is off the back of their house, the log house. And they are putting, I'm going to try to do this without getting in the sun. I know that sun's going to blind you. Oh, there.
Hey, Alex.
This is coming off their back of their porch, their back of their house. And he's got the roofing material. He's already got the trusses up there for the roof.
Looks like an arrow. Or a fish.
And the style of their home is very country, which is really nice. And he's already put 2 of these up already. And this will be the 3rd one. It'll go in the center. And these cedar poles came off of our own farm, right down from the pond, or right up from the pond.
You want it that way, or do you want to cut that one off? And then this would be sticking out. You know, if we cut that one off right up there.
Alright. Got it?
Yep. Use our little saw.
Yeah. We got another person checking out that little saw. I believe he likes it.
I love it. Sorry.
Hey, it just,
Quick work of everything.
and it comes in handy. You don't think about something like that, but it's small and easy to get around.
Right in the middle, underneath it.
Well, I was kind of lining up over the post down here.
Yeah, go ahead.
You got it?
Yeah.
Top needs to come that way, just
The bottom or the top?
Top.
top. All right, stand to the side. I'm kind of lining it up with the door. All right, looks good.
Ta-da.
That looks good.
And now he's
But I
using
figured that way the bigger ones will be out here.
long sinker nails or sinker screws. Are those the 4-inch ones?
Yeah. Put one in the bottom just to hold it.
The sun's out, but it is cold. little bit. And what he was saying is it's not going up against the board. There it goes.
Much closer now. Still got a little bit of a.
It's got a little bit of a nub.
But sawdust in my eyeball.
Yeah, you all right?
Yeah.
Let me get it from the
Oh,
other side.
that's the freebie. Getting sawdust in your eye.
Yeah.
Instead of mud in your eye, here's sawdust in your eye.
You all right? You wanna use the restroom inside?
Much better. Yeah.
Now you got it.
There it is.
Hold it right there.
Don't be crying on us, dear.
I'm out.
Now, y'all may have recognized Alex. We've done work here with him before. Built a cabin for him before. We've worked on his barn, and we've actually been down at their store. Now, are you going to go ahead and take these side supports off
Yeah, I'm taking these out.
right now?
Yeah, we'll take one.
Well, that way.
You know, it ain't gonna go.
No, I know, but I mean, our viewers, I know what they know what a roof looks like, but they could see these supports with, see it without the supports. They could actually see it without the supports there.
If it falls down, it's your fault.
It shouldn't fall down. Alex is thinking like you and wanting a live edge bench.
Yep.
Now that's sad if you're thinking like Randy.
Yeah.
Great minds think alike.
7. Thinking of.
That's gonna look good. And now, while he's taking that other support off, I'll show you. The roofing material is copper tin. And they've got it laid out here, getting ready to go up. And that's going to match his roof on his house, is the copper. So that's really going to set it off. Everyone needs to start thinking outside the box. You don't have to have your standard 2, or 6x6 or 4x4 post. I mean, these are cedar posts. Yeah, and they're beautiful, and they're a beautiful accent. So we love to be able to think outside the box.
She's gonna get birds hanging out in the back porch.
Oh yeah, I could see a lot of bird houses, a lot of bird feeders.
Yeah, she's gonna get some stuff hanging in there.
Oh
I
yeah.
had my jacket sitting up there. Yeah, a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, hanging your jacket,
Hanging your hat.
hanging the hat. Hat fits. Does a hat hang good?
Yep.
Cool. Well, we're just going to show you what we're doing today. I'll probably not take you through watching him, put the tin on. I'm sorry, that's standard. But I did want to show you the posts that we did. They're so unique and different. And, we love working with Alex, and, he kind of gives us carte blanche to pretty much, he believes whatever we think would look good, he says go for it. So we love working with people like that.
I love working with you guys. It's always fun.
Oh yeah.
Always have a good time.
Well, remember to get out and enjoy the day. We still got beautiful weather. Here in East Tennessee, it's only going to be in the mid-40s, but the sun is shining. And I think tomorrow is going to be another repeat of today. Winter's just around the corner. But get out and enjoy the day. Try to bless someone. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.